In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your website in desktop, tablet, or mobile view. So we just have one responsive website. Depending on what kind of screen size your users view it on, everything will size appropriately. So we're on the account dashboard here. We're just going to go into Edit Site. You can see our home page here. By default, we're going to be on desktop view. If we hit this middle button here, that'll bring us to more of a tablet or laptop size page. And if we hit the mobile phone, that's what it's going to look like on someone's smartphone browser. And that works for any of our pages. We'll go back to desktop view. And that's all for this tutorial.